Imagine just trading a prop firm that doesn't just fund you, but actively helps you win. See, Boer Funded is the very first AI-powered trading prop firm that not just gives us as traders the tools, but it helps us build and become better traders with the technology that they're giving us to use to be a profitable trader. Now, of course, in this prop industry, there's thousands of different props that we see pretty much every single month. And at this point, I'm like, yo, I'm overwhelmed. And let's be honest, many prop firms do take your money. That's all they care for. And that's why so many exist right now. And that's why they're pretty much all the exact same thing. So two of the things that Boer Funded does have, one of the major things is the AI trading journal. Now, with this AI trading journal, it is powered by Lock Trade, and it basically helps analyze your trades, lets you know when to actually trade, lets you know what pairs to trade, lets you know what dates is good. It even creates your trading plan for you without you having to worry about doing it like I've done. And that same trading journal literally helped me figure my own trading plan out. If you don't know who I am, I go by Solo E, and on my YouTube channel, I talk about how to grow small challenges, how to pass prop firms, and also I do a lot of this live stream. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, we took a $4,000 account to $50,000, took $1,400 into $10,000, and so forth. And a lot of this is done consistently, and that is thanks to the whole trading plan that has been created thanks to Lock Trade. But now, not only that, they also provide you a AI trading indicator that can help you find better entries along with the trading journal as well. So you literally get two birds in one price. So let's just get straight to it. Once you first come into boerfunded.com, make sure you click the link down below. If you guys are looking to get 30% off, use the code SOLO30, you'll be able to get 30% off. But right away, website, this is it. You just go ahead and hit buy challenge. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account and go from there. Boer Funded is in the early stage of their AI, so there's going to be a couple of things that's actually getting added onto this. So depending on when you're watching this, it may already be on there, and that's going to be the My AI Assistant. My AI Assistant is literally going to be your assistant. If you were a actual consistent profitable trader that literally can never almost mess up, that is going to be your buddy right next to you. So the cool thing is, when you want to chat with it, when you need it to create you something, when you need it to guide you somewhere, that is this section that you're going to be using to make sure you become that better trader, and also create that trading plan as well that I also had created as well. So the first thing is, once you come into the platform, you of course buy your challenge using the SOLO30 code. All you have to do is just come over here to trading account, and then you will see all of your accounts. Now, right off the rip, this is pretty standard. You pretty much have all the data you need. They're only doing phase 2 right now. I do know that they are coming out with phase 1 and some other exclusive stuff that's tied to copy trading AI, which is pretty crazy. That's another thing, a different video. However, as you guys see, pretty much you can purchase add-ons as well. So let's say if you want to trade with EAs, or if you want a profit split, they start their profit split at 80%, but you can increase it up to 80 or 95%. And also, additional to that, you can do news trading and weekend holding with the add-ons as well. Due to the fact that it is a weekend, I can't place any actual trades, but they do use TradingView. But what I'm going to do is, I pretty much already took one trade, and I'm just going to show you guys how this trading journal part works, because this is the main part about Boer Funded. So when you take a trade, you're not going to be able to see anything here, but what you have to do is come on the left hand side and go to trading journal, and then you have to add in your strategy. You can either add it this way, or you come up top where you see strategies and you can add it this way. Now, this is where it gets really cool. The biggest thing it does is it lets you know what trading strategy to use. So let's just go ahead and create my strategy, which is one of my favorites, 3-man standing strategy. And we're just going to hit that, and then we're just going to select an account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can just go ahead and select all. And then with this description here, you can pretty much add your description. We're just going to say 3-man standing strategy, and then we're just going to hit next. So now, as you guys see, it's pretty much created, and it's pretty much taking all of my accounts and it's asking me what trade do you want to add to the strategy. You can literally select all of it. You can just go ahead and deselect all of it, but I'm just going to select everything so you guys can see how this works in the video. And then now I'm going to hit create strategy. So as you guys see, I pretty much created my strategy. Now, if that gets tedious, because we all know we take a lot of trades, there's another easier way to actually do this, and I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, you want to go into your trading account, which is on your left hand side. You probably can't see it, and then you make sure you select the account that you want to be in. And then once you do that, you scroll down here, and then once the strategy is actually created, it will show add strategy button right here. So all you want to do is add 3-man stand strategy, and then we hit add strategy, and then now trade has successfully been added into the strategy. All right, so now you guys see pretty much the strategies have been added. I pretty much went ahead and just added more strategies, so you pretty much see everything you need to see. You have your total profit, your total losses, your total win rate, and your total drawdown. This is on all the actual trades you had actually added to the trading journal. You get to see your overall win rate. You get to see your asset tracking, meaning you get to see how many of these actual pairs or assets you've been trading the most and the least. And over here, you got your overall win rates for each strategy. And then right here, you pretty much have your last past 12 trades, profits to losses. Now I'm going to go to plan because I want to kind of show you guys how this looks. So here you guys see, this is pretty much an account that this is basically a test account here, but here you basically see all of the trades, right? Red, negative, green, positive. The cool thing about this is whatever that trade was taken off of, you can put notes and say whatever you want to say maybe I took this trade because of my strategy, and then you hit add. And then as you do that, now that strategy now that note has been added, so you can always refer back to it and you don't have to worry about anything. So even if you ever go back to these trades, you can look at it and be like, well, why did I take this trade? You will know the reason why you took this trade. Now, another thing that I do want to do is go back to overview, and then in overview, let's just look at one of the profitable trades, which is really this trade right here. So if I look at this trade, I clearly get to see from this trade, what is my best day to trade? What are my 5 best assets to trade? And it gives me my best month as far as profit, my average wins, my average loss, and then my lowest month. So I get to see that plus a little bit more details here, which is pretty standard, right? But you get to understand a little bit more about your strategy, about the pairs, about what days to trade, and how to trade it. And then the most important thing is that my asset assistant, which unfortunately isn't available right now, but like I said before, it's going to be available towards the end of January, so it can give you so much data, it's endless. All right, so we talked about the trading journal, but there's still a whole nother AI part to this, and really necessarily just a free indicator that you guys are able to get exclusively only through Boer Funded when you purchase any challenge, and that is called FXAN. So FXAN is a partnership that Boer Funded exclusively partnered with one of the best developers when it comes to building out indicators, building out pretty much anything in the trading industry. They lock that in. So as you guys clearly see here, this is pretty much really what it is. I'm going to show you guys pretty much how it looks in TradingView, and how it works is very simple. Once you purchase an account, there's going to be a section where you have to put in your TradingView username, and the moment you do that, you'll be able to grant access to this. I believe in 24 hours they will send you that through your TradingView account, so you'll be able to even use this to even get funded or get profit. So let's go ahead and talk about what this is. All right, so as you guys see here on TradingView, pretty much this is what I have. I have a 3-screen setup just to show you guys all 3 of the indicators that comes with this. So as you guys see, you pretty much have your scalping indicator. For me, I know I like to scalp, so this is going to be A1. And then we also have the swing trading indicator, and then we also have the day trading indicator. Now I'm literally I have to do a whole complete video about this, because this can be technical if you want it to be technical, or you can make this super simple if you want to make it simple. It's up to us. But the cool thing about this is we have the indicator that can give us everything we need to find the entries. Now, if we refer back to the site, I would prefer you guys to look at the site and actually look at the whole scope of what it is and how to use it, because there's a lot to this to make this even a more profitable way for you to make money. So if you go into boerfunded.com, you'll be able to scroll up top to the navigation bar, and you will see FXAN in there, and then you can just check it out, or I'll just link it down below as well. You guys can check it out. But basically you can clearly see the multiple different things that you can do. It breaks everything down. And then if you guys ever want to get more details into it, they actually have a guide you section as well. But of course, this could be very overwhelming, as we all are coming to a new age where we just want to see visuals, and that's why you got Solo here, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing in my next videos. Also on my live streams, you guys will literally see me trading this live with the indicator and everything like that. So I understand, as dealing with prop firms, there are many doubts, and yes, I get that Boer Funded may have this thing called the consistency rule, which is I believe at 40% right now for just this phase challenge. However, you have these tools to make you a better trader. Even though they have all of these different consistency things, or maybe the 5 daily drawdown, percent daily drawdown, that's fine. But if you have something to help us, it's here. Let it be here. here to help us and make us a better trader. So that being said, guys, if you're interested in getting a free 25K account, there's a couple things I need you to do to win this account. One is you must follow me on Instagram. That is The Real Solo E. After you follow me on Instagram, the only way I know if you follow me on Instagram is if you actually comment on any of my posts and say, Boer brought me here. Once you say that, the next thing you must do is go ahead and join Boer Funded Discord channel and tune into that. And then we will be announcing the winner towards the end of this January going into February on my Instagram. So I know you guys actually follow me and comment and then unfollow me and everything like that. I appreciate your boy Solo. If you guys once again want to tune in with Boer Funded, make sure you tap in 30% off. You can go ahead and start using the AI trading journal. I can't wait for everything to come out. I can't wait for FXAN indicator to be utilized. Let's see profits. Your boy Solo, I'm out. Peace.